Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are safe and maybe excited for my class. So I'm here to teach you SST Standard 4, Chapter 14. Chapter name is Saja. So because before the chapter we have learned about the Akbar, and after that we will learn about much more about the some ruler who ruled in India. So, before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the Ludo, Carom, video games. In fact, you can complete your homework which you received on online classes. So today again also I will upload the homework for USST. So please you can go to the website and please check your homework, download it and please complete it in your fair copy. Please complete it in your good handwriting, legible handwriting and use dark pencil. Please complete it in your fair copy and whenever school is going to open, I just want all the homework. I have all the records, so it's better that you should complete your all homework and you have a lots of time, so you can complete it in these virus, in these lockdown also. So please complete it and please protect yourself and your family from this virus. Because of this virus we can die also, so it's better that we should we should just stay at home. And please follow all the guidelines which government has told us to follow due to this virus. So I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. Eat healthy and stay happy at home. Stay healthy at home. So whenever you are going to eat your meals, please wash your hand properly. So let's start the chapter. I'm going to start the chapter. It's a short chapter and maybe it will finish in this day in 1 and 2 lectures. So please do not skip this video. Please watch these videos till last. So we are talking about the Shahjahan, and if you don't have the book then please purchase your book as soon as possible. So about the Shahjahan, he was also known as the engineer king because Shahjahan has made many more things. Nowadays also we can see they have made Shahjahan made the different like mosques, then fort. So that's why the Shahjahan was also known as the engineer king. Now, Shahjahan, the son of Jahangir, became the Mughal ruler in 1627 CE. So Shahjahan is the son of Jahangir. Shahjahan is the son of Jahangir. Jahangir father is Akbar. So Akbar's grandson is Shahjahan. Now, he was a good ruler and like Akbar wanted to expand his empire. So he was also a very good emperor and like Akbar, like his grandfather, and he also wants to expand. He also wants to expand his emperor. Expand means to make his emperor big. He tried to conquer Kandahar in north but failed to do so. So he wants to take the Kandahar which is in the north. He wants to take the Kandahar in his control, but he was failed in Kandahar. So as most of the North India was already a part of Mughal rule empire, so almost the north of India, most of the part, it was the part of Mughal empire. Shahjahan decided to attack the kingdoms in South India. So because most of they have ruled in the North India. So the Shahjahan they decided to attack the kingdoms in South India, in the south part of the India. He captured Ahmednagar in the Deccan and forced the kingdoms of Bajapur and Golconda to accept his supremacy. So he captured the North India, Ahmednagar, it is in the Deccan, and forced the kingdoms of Bajpur and Golconda to accept his supremacy, means just come and work under the Mughal emperor. Next, Shah Jahan reasoned that how he expanded, where he expanded his empire. So, foreign travels such as Bernal traveled to India during Shah Jahan reasons. So, the foreign trainers who come from the foreign, we like the Bernal, he's traveled to India during the Shah Jahan who just ruled in Shah Jahan regions. Some of them have written accounts of their time in India. So some of them, like some of the foreigners, they just written the accounts of their time in India. They have praised Shah Jahan's rules. So they have praised like God Shah Jahan's rules. They follow all the rules of Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan's reasons was called the golden age of Mughal emperor. So Shah Jahan's reasons, like Shah Jahan's, when the Shah Jahans, they just they just ruled, that time is called, that was the time, it is also called the golden age of Mughal empire. During his rule, people were happy and the empire prospered. So during the Shah Jahan's empire, the people who were there in his area, they were very happy. In fact, they were empire also, they were happy. There was law and order. The empire had peace and security. So when the Shah Jahan was there, that the area they have the law and order, and the people of that area, they have to follow the law and order, and the empire, the Mughal empire, had been very peacefully and full of security. In the 15th century CE, the Portuguese came as straight to India. So like after that, in the 15th century CE, it's common era, the Portuguese, they come as trade. Trade means like they are selling something, like suppose the spice of India we can sell throughout the India. So they trade like sell and buying something to India. So the Portuguese, they come to trade to India. The Portuguese were interested in buying spices and cotton textile from India. So because we know that in India we have like in a very big fertilizers of cotton and spices. So they were very interested. The Portuguese, they were very interested to buy spices and the cotton textile from India. They are very interested to buy the spices and cotton textile in India. Later, other European trade such as the French and the Dutch and the British also came to India for trade. After that, the Portuguese, after the most of the European trade, like such as the French, the Dutch and the British, they also came to India for the trade to buy the spices and cotton textiles. Next page. Art and architecture under Shah Jahan, means how many beautiful buildings the Shah Jahans had made. For that, we will see in the next videos, lecture number 2. So please guys, stay at home, protect yourself and your family, complete your homework on time, and please most of your time give you in your study. Stay at home. Watch the lecture number 2 for more information about the Shah Jahan. After that, when the online class will over, you can also read the chapter once again, so that you will understood. So that take care of yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Please watch the next videos for more information about in this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.